you can see here. And I saw this connector was all broken and it wouldn't stay in the housing well, so I ended up changing out for a new housing. If anybody needs it, here is the I just got one aftermarket. This is the number from BWD. It's like advanced, auto parts or whatever, but I'm just gonna show you how to put this back in. So on this side, let me take it with me. On this side, there's like little dimples. You wanna line those dimples up with these two holes here. One here, one here. Just kind of slide them in. You can see in there. Just gonna get them all lined up, and then you're gonna push it in, and you'll see it'll just go boom. Just kind of go in there. These holes over here should line up. Push it back down.